It's here. We're almost just 2 days left to the Galaxy Unpacked event, and over the days we've talked about all the features that there is to know about the S23 Ultra. As we get closer to the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event, there is a price leak and it's shocking. Because of the global economic situation, there is a price bump in all models across Europe and Asia, except in the US. The prices actually remain the same in the US, and this is likely because Samsung is trying to compete with Apple right there. For example, the base S23 will cost 960 euros in Spain, with the Ultra costing 1,590 euros. That's basically the same story all around the world. In the UK, the S23 will cost £849, the S23 Plus will cost £1,049, and the S23 Ultra is going to cost you £1,249. In Australia, it's going to cost roughly $100 more than the previous device. That being said, the S23 is set to cost around $64 more than the S22 in the Czech Republic. So what do you think about the prices? Let me know of your thoughts in the comments section. The S23 series will launch with One UI 5.1 based on Android 13, and the full changelog has leaked online. A notable feature is the expert RAW feature that is baked into the camera now, and it's going to support phones like the Note 20 Ultra, the S21 series and the S22 series. Other features that are coming to One UI 5.1 is the notable improvement in Samsung Desk, a new battery widget that shows the current battery status of the phone, but also other connected devices. Just like the widget on Apple devices, there's going to be a widget in One UI 5.1 that's going to show you your phone's battery percentage, the percentage of your Galaxy Buds, also the percentage of anything that is actually connected to your phone's device like the smartwatch and all other stuff. So there's going to be another Galaxy S23 exclusive feature, and it's likely to be an on-blur feature. It's going to look like Google's Pixel on-blur feature that works on almost just any picture that you have on your phone, and I think it's going to be pretty neat. You know, the S23 is not going to be a giant leap in Samsung smartphones, but it's going to be a much needed subtle improvement on an already good phone, and I can't wait to check out the 200 megapixel camera on the S23 Ultra. So guys, that's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back when I find something new.